Aha.
Whoops. A, B, C, D. Wow!
Uh-huh.
Yeah! Egg! Milk!
I'm having so much fun. Nobody can get me.
Woohoo!
Dear, it's not
Mom!
far along. She's coming, you'll see.
Great!
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Whoa! Yeah!
Make everything big and
Smile!
ooh la la, magic wand, make me big and super wow. Yay! Huh? I'm so
Wow!
big, it's like a dream. Everything
Fantastic!
is so
Anything I want to do. I don't want to go out on my poop.
Don't do that. Then hold your poop. Run to the party and poop, poop, poop.
To the party, have a seat. To the party, poop, poop,
Oh.
poop. To the party, have a seat. To the
Wow.
party, poop, poop, poop. Use the toilet paper. Wash your hands.
Yeah!
Play, and have some fun.
Fantastic!
I don't wanna work it out now. I just wanna play around, meow, meow. I wanna be a kitty. I wanna be a kitty. I wanna be a kitty, 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 kitty. I don't wanna work it out now. I just wanna play around, meow, meow, meow. I wanna be a kitty. I wanna be a kitty. I wanna be a kitty.
Oh, left when I was asleep. We were looking for some treasure, and then the wheel got jammed.
Oh, you're right, it won't move.
Yeah, we've been going round and round for weeks. Going round and round makes you really sleepy. In fact, good night.
Wait, I've come to ask a favour.
Yeah, what's that?
Well, our crew are very thirsty, and we need some barrels of water.
Okay, maybe I can give you some. What's in it for me?
I'll fix your wheel for you.
Oh, okay, deal.
Right. No good. Oh, look, it's rusty. We need something to loosen this up. But what can we use? Hold on. I know what we can use. Do you? Yes. The oil. This should do the trick. Oh, yes. Wilf.
Oh, Starfish and Barnacles, hello, hello.
Your wheel. It's fixed.
Is it? Brilliant.
So, can we have our barrels of water now, please?
Of course you can. Oh, but here, you can have this.
A telescope.
You can use that to look for your treasure island.
Oh, brilliant.
And we can set sail again.
Hurrah!
Let's play.
Goodbye, Rebecca.
Bye, Will.
So, Rebecca and me hearty, what be happening?
Well, what be happening, Captain Nasty, is that the men have opened the barrels of water I found them and had a nice long drink.
I know, I've just been below deck.
Oh, they must be really happy now.
They're as miserable as a mouse with no cheese.
But why? They got their water.
Because they haven't been paid. We need to find some treasure and fast.
Will do. Oh, and look what Pirate Wolf gave me. A telescope.
Oh, you know what this is.
Yes.
It be a telescope.
Yes, I know.
I can use this to look for land. Can't see anything at all.
Maybe you should use the other eye?
Oh, yes. I see.
What do you see?
Nothing at all.
Now, give that to me. I don't think you're doing it right. Oh, that's funny. I can't see anything either. Oh, look, there's something blocking it. Oh, what's this? It looks like a map. Great.
This is a treasure map of Pong Island.
It says the treasure is buried next to some rocks.
Let me see.
Me.
Okay, now calm down. So we know where the treasure is. I say we set sail and find it.
Agreed.
Let's play.
We're on our way to Pong Island. Shouldn't be long now. Hold on. We're going round in a circle. Captain! Captain!
Oh.
Captain Nasty, what's wrong?
Oh, I'm feeling all floppily, wobbly and sick.
Whoa! I think you better go to bed.
Aye, not feeling too good.
Oh no, we're in trouble now. Pirates Jim and John,
Pirate Jim, at your service.
I need your help. Hold on, why are you wearing 2 eye patches?
Well, 1 eye patch is cool, so I thought 2 eye patches would be twice as cool.
But it means you can't see anything?
Oh, yes. Thought I got dog.
Right, okay. Captain Nasty is sick, and I need you and Pirate John to steer the ship.
Aye, ma'am.
Right, I need to make the captain better. But how do I know what's wrong with him? Hold on, I remember to you. That's it. Pirates sometimes got a disease called scurvy, which made them feel sick, and it was cured by eating lots of fresh fruit and vegetables. Captain Nasty is sick with scurvy. Pirate Jim, we need some fruit, something like oranges.
Oranges, eh? What be they?
Well, they're a fruit and they're round and orange.
Oh, you mean like juggling balls?
What juggling balls?
These.
Yes, but they're not juggling balls, they're oranges. You need to tell your men to stop juggling with them and eat them. Right, I think we're back on course.
Let's play.
That's it. I've eaten a whole lot of oranges and I feel a whole lot better.
Good. Well, you rest up, Captain Nasty. Pirate Jim and Pirate John are steering and navigating. We'll find that treasure island very soon.
Very good. Carry on first, shipmate.
Good news, the captain is getting better.
Good. According to this map, the treasure island should be round here somewhere and we can't see it.
Let me have a look. Oh, you're right. It's nowhere to be seen.
It should be here.
Well, it might be, but the trouble is I can't see far enough with this telescope. Oh, what are we going to do? Hold on, I remembered you. That's it. To see if they were getting near land, one pirate would go to the top of the crow's nest and look out. It was the highest point on the ship, at the top of the mast. Pirates Jim and Pirates John, someone needs to go to the top of the crow's nest and look out for land.
Right. Off you go then.
What, me?
Yep. And don't fall down. You'll break the ship.
Oh, OK. Wish me luck.
Luck.
Right, I'm here, the crow's nest. So, what can we see? That's it! Pong Island! Jim, John, I can see land!
Did you hear that? Yes. What did she say? I think she said, bing bong, strike up the band.
Land ahoy!
Land ahoy? I don't think I know that one. Well, we could make it up. Land ahoy, tiddly-tum, scratch my head and tap my tum. Turn
What are
around
they
and
doing?
Suck my thumb. Land ahoy, oh, tiddly-tum. Hey,
Let's play.
We found Pong Island!
where?
It's over there. We need to set sail that away. I'm going to tell the captain. Captain, exciting news. We found Pong Island, where the treasure is.
The treasure. Rich! We're gonna be rich. Oh, I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Let's play.
We've arrived.
Let's go ashore.
Oh, what a horrid smell.
They don't call it Pong Island for nothing.
Right, so the map says the treasure is buried next to a rock that looks like a face. Who put that rock there?
Funny looking rock. It looks like a face. The treasure!
You shout the instructions and I'll do the pacing.
Right. Okay, ready? 3 steps forward.
3 steps forward.
1 step left.
1 step left.
1 step right.
1 step right.
3 steps forward.
3 steps forward.
Oh, hello.
Give me that. Oh, look, you're holding the map upside down. Maybe I should do it instead. Right, here goes.
Where's she gone? I don't think we're gonna find it this way. I think we really...
Found it!
What?
Look!
A treasure chest!
Come on, help me pull it out.
Right. It's no good. It's stuck.
I know. I'll hold the handle. You hold me and we'll pull. Ready?
Ready. Well, so much for your clever plans.
Look, it's open.
What?
Wow, treasure!
Yo-ho-ho crew, we found the treasure!
We did it, but we'd never have done it without remembering everything we needed to know. Pirates stored their drinking water in barrels. They sometimes got a disease called scurvy, which was cured by eating lots of fresh fruit and vegetables. And to see if they were getting near land, one pirate would climb up to the crow's nest and look out. Well, Captain Nasty, I think it's time we went home.
Thanks, Pearl Rebecca. Here, go on. Have yourself some treasure.
Oh, no, it's all right. You have it. You deserve it. But can I keep this map, though?
Of course you can.
Thanks, Captain Nasty.